We're almost.
We are gonna have so much fun!
Welcome to the best week of camp ever!
It's beautiful, isn't it? The cool breeze, the birds that land on your finger.
It's going to be getting dark soon. Everyone gather together to share s'mores and scary stories.
About the legend of Godfrey. Anywhere she went, strange happened.
How is this possible? That camp is giving us all new magical abilities!
Has anybody seen Rainbow Dash?
Ow!
The camp must be making this happen.
Oh dear!
Thank you.
Her magic is infecting my friends. Gaia Everfree could be from Equestria and ended up in... It's Gaia Everfree! What are you going to do?